Staff, I want to take just a couple minutes to go over next year's school calendar. This is just a draft that we want to run by you guys and get your feedback from it. The beginning of the school year is exactly the same we had last year. We have 6 days of PD before school starts. School starts on a Thursday, just like it has the past couple years. Our first day off is on Labor Day, which is September 6th. October 4th will be off as well. That is the Monday following Fall Festival, which would be on the 2nd. A couple of things I want to point out to you. We had these a couple of years ago, but this year we did not. We have 1 day per 9 weeks that will be a half day of professional development and a half day teacher work day. Those will be in pink. So the principals can do a half day of learning, and then you'll have a half day to work in your classrooms. This January 3rd date, that is just a work day. We'll allow the principals to have maybe 30 minutes, at the most an hour of your time, but the rest of that day will be yours to work in your classroom, so you don't have to work over Christmas break. These 2 days right here, October 22nd and February 18th, these are something that's new. The state is requiring us to do reading academies in kindergarten through 3rd grade. And these take up quite a bit of time, and so we're trying to give time within the school day for people to work on those. And so for those 2 days, K through 3 teachers will get a chance to work on the Reading Academy stuff. The rest of the campus, the principals can use that for PD or whatever they need to use that for. And maybe some additional time possibly to work in your classrooms. Thanksgiving is the week of the 22nd through the 26th. If you'll notice, those are 2 flex days. And so in May, we have these 2 placeholders here. The district may offer some professional development that day for you guys, but those are 2 flex days, and that's all we have in next year's calendar. Something new this year will be we'll be getting out the Thursday and the Friday before Christmas, so we have a little bit extra time. Typically, this has been a half day here. We are going to get out both these days, but the 15th will be a full day. The next day off will be Martin Luther King Day on the 17th. February 4th, we will be off as well. Spring break will be the week of March 14th through the 18th, which I think syncs with all the schools around here, or at least most of the schools around here. Our bad weather days will be, this is Good Friday, April 15th, so that's a bad weather day, as is May 20th. If we have to use those days, now we have a little under 5 days banked, so we'd have to go through all these days plus this one before we'd ever have to use this one, and we'll probably steer clear of using this one anyway. We can add some time to the end of to our school day so that we can for sure have Good Friday off. These dark blue, these are testing days. These are end of course for the high school. These are some more testing, the major star weeks here. We do have in the year the last week of May. That's 1 week later than what we have in the past, but we had to move it back a week so that we could get some of these days in here. We do have a half day that Thursday, and then graduation would be on the 27th. So anyway, hopefully this explains a lot to you guys. If you have questions, feel free to contact me and I'll answer anything I can. But I will also send out a Google form, and we'd love to have your feedback. Thanks.